Hey, hello friend, this is Preetham, and today we are going to discuss what is the job roles and responsibility of a Citrix system administrator. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So here I am going to explain you all the job duties of a Citrix administrator in detail. So here we go. Citrix engineers are professionals that specialize in developing Citrix application and their software technologies. It is your responsibility as a Citrix engineer to manage the company Citrix systems, identify requirements for project development, and develop and monitor Citrix products. You will also be required to resolve problems and issues with software application and computing equipments and assist user or customers on how to use company products. Additionally, you you have to keep records and maintain accurate documentation of all processes, then develop improvements and upgrades for software applications, and you need to ensure all system data are backed up successfully at the end of the day. A Citrix engineer must be able to work independently or with a team and must have excellent analytical skills and problem solving skills. So what exactly a Citrix engineer do? A Citrix engineer specializes in developing and establishing Citrix software and application technologies. It is their responsibility to identify project requirements, develop prototypes and test structures, identify and eliminate bugs, then troubleshoot issues and perform repairs and upgrades when necessary. They also establish guidelines and protocols, providing technical support to internal employee as well as external employee whenever it required. Moreover, as a Citrix engineer, it is essential to keep abreast of the latest innovation to deliver efficient information technology system and optimize company operation. So this is all about Citrix engineers uh, important duties. In detail with example, I'm going to explain you what exactly he do in his day-to-day activities. So here we go. He manage physical he manage physical and virtual servers with multiple operating systems. Then it includes provisioning, monitoring, governance and upgrades. He deploys and manages Citrix environments utilizing publish desktop and publish application to make available to users both internally, externally, or at the client end. Then he should have good experience in deploying provisioning services, both MCS and PBS. Then he implements and support DNS and DHCP servers for local and company domains. Then he need to active as a project lead to migrating legacy core applications into new OS platform for virtualization delivery into warehouses and corporate locations. Then use of SCCM, then deploy new software via SCCM, carry out OS and software upgrades as required, then maintain SharePoint environments for multiple vendors and clients, then work with hardware and software vendors to troubleshoot whatever the problem the application is having. Then he need to involve in setup of NetApp filer in the environment, build and test multi-protocol NAS cluster with storage snapshots. Then he needs to perform in-depth troubleshooting analysis and resolution of XenApp OS and applications. Then then he need to create knowledge base application KBS for help desk to troubleshoot any known issue, help to restore communications for Citrix database for 6.5 farm in order to minimize downtime using PowerShell, then design and develop Unix shell scripts to deploy, build, apply patches, then set up connectivity between system and validate environments, then evaluate and recommended virtualization strategy, coordinate with desktop team to ensure that application packaging requests are aligned to business requirement, then register servers with correct license, servers utilizing PowerShell in order to expedite communication with licensing servers and farm servers, then deploy the JBoss application to the QA environment, then the close team interaction and partnering with other team, application DBA or testing team locate across the globe wherever the teams is sitting. Then he should have an experience using like SolarWinds, fog light as a supplemental monitoring tools. This is all about Citrix system administrator day-to-day activities. And apart from this, like as a Citrix administrator, there are some skills required for this role. Like he should have experience with Citrix technologies such as XenApp, XenDesktop and NetScaler. Then he should have strong knowledge of virtualization technologies such as VMware or Hyper-V. Then he should have good understanding of Active Directory, DNS, DHCP and group policy. Then he should have a excellent troubleshooting and problem solving skills. Then he need to work, or he should have a good ability to work independently and in a team environment. So these are some highlighted skill which is quite important to become a Citrix engineer or to perform a role of a Citrix system administrator, like infrastructure, then Citrix XenDesktop, Citrix XenApp, Citrix NetScaler, Windows Server, then troubleshooting, then PowerShell, then virtualization, then VDI, then provisioning. So this is all about the job roles and responsibility of a Citrix system administrator. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much friend for watching my video. Thank you so much.